In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website for search in Squarespace. This process is straightforward and will substantially improve your site's visibility on search engines. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace homepage and click on the login button. You'll typically find this at the top corner of the page. If you've connected your Google account to Squarespace, click on Continue with Google. This method is not only quick but also ensures that you're seamlessly accessing your dashboard with minimal fuss. Once you've logged in, select your website from the dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites, be sure to choose the one you want to optimize for search. This step takes you directly to its management interface, where all the optimization magic happens. Now, let's navigate to the settings menu. Hover over or click on the settings option. If you are more of a visual person, this is in the sidebar on the left of the screen. Settings is the gateway to tweaking various aspects of your site, including marketing features, and that's precisely where we're headed next. Once in the settings, locate and click on Marketing. Squarespace organizes its tools under clear, intuitive categories, ensuring even those new to website design can find their way around without much hassle. Under the Marketing tab, you'll see the option labeled SEO Appearance. Click on it to begin optimizing the nitty-gritty details that search engines scrutinize. Delving into SEO, an essential part is to follow the SEO checklist provided by Squarespace. Click on SEO Checklist to view a series of tasks designed to enhance your site's discoverability. This checklist is user-friendly and clear-cut, with tasks such as adding image descriptions, ensuring page titles and descriptions are succinct yet comprehensive, and double-checking your site's meta tags. Each task you tick off brings you closer to a site that attracts more organic traffic. After checking off the SEO tasks, head back into the marketing settings and explore the option titled Hire an SEO Expert. While doing your SEO might be straightforward, sometimes it's beneficial to get expert assistance, particularly if you want to delve deeper into analytics and advanced SEO strategies. By following these simple steps, you're setting your Squarespace website up for greater success in the digital marketplace. Optimizing SEO doesn't have to be overwhelming. Squarespace makes it as intuitive as possible so you can spend more time focusing on what you love. And there we have it, a simple step-by-step procedure to optimize your Squarespace website for search. As you implement these strategies, you'll likely notice an uptick in visibility, helping you to reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.